Good morning student. In our previous period we completed up to question 3 from the working with the text. So now moving on further, in that one question is still remaining. So now I am going to start writing on a board. You people also start writing with me. Question 4. Why did the daimyo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act, So daimyo rewarded to the kind old farmer and punished his neighbor. Neighbor is, as we know, greedy old farmer. So why? As both doing the same activity, but why daimyo punished his neighbor for that act? Write down answer. The farmer had the magical ashes. He made the old withered cherry tree blossom. Withered, it means the dry or dull cherry tree. Blossom once again by sprinkling the ashes. So the daimyo rewarded the farmer for this. When he is greedy, greedy neighbor neighbor heard about it. He took the ashes and when daimyo was passing on the highway, he threw a handful of ashes over the tree. The tree did not blossom, and wind blew the fine dust in the noses and eyes of the daimyo and his wife. That is why his neighbor punished for the same act. So, as the greedy old farmer now copy the activity, that act which was done by the kind old farmer. But as kind old farmer had the magical ashes, so he made old withered cherry tree blossom once again by sprinkling the ashes. But when the wicked old farmer trying the same act, at that time what happened? Tree doesn't blossom, and at that time tree did not blossom, and wind blew the fine dust in the noses and eyes of the daimyo and his wife. So, for this reason daimyo punished the wicked old farmer. Then after, next exercise, So now in our textbook in page 64, so you people also your textbook and pay attention in that in page working with language is given. In that, read the following conversation. One conversation is given. Ravi, what are you doing? Mridu, I am reading a book. Ravi, who wrote it? Mridu, Ruskin Bond. Ravi, where did you find it? Mridu, in the library. Notice that what, who, where are questions word. Questions that require information begin with the question words. Some other question words are when, why, where, which and how. Remember that what ask about actions, things, etc. Who ask about people, which ask about people or things, where ask about place, when ask about time, why ask about reason or surprise, how ask about means, manner or degree, whose ask about possession. So, it is given that when we use such words, question words, what, who, which, where, when, why, how, whose. Now, below that, read the following paragraph and frame questions on the italicized phrases. Now, italicized phrases, what you understand by that? So, you people, have you see this italicized typing in your computer? In your computer, when we want to change the formation or the typing of the letters, in that we have so many options, and in that italic, bold, such type of options are there. So, in this paragraph, Anil is in school. I am in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row. So, you can see that some words are written in italic typing. He is reading a book. Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. He is sharpening his pencil. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Children are writing in their notebooks. Some children are looking out of the window. Now, what we have to do in this paragraph, whatever the sentences or the word phrases given in italic letters, in italic typing, we have to frame questions for that particular phrases or for that sentences. So, first we can see that Anil is in school. It is given in italic typing. So, now we have to frame question for that. So, write down now questions with me. 1, as space is given in your textbook, so note it down there. Where is Anil? Where is Anil? Yes, as it is given in paragraph, Anil is in school. That is given in italic typing, in italic letters. So, we have to frame question for such phrases or such sentences which is given in italic letter. So, where is Anil? Anil is in school. Now, second question we frame, where is Anil sitting? Where is Anil sitting? So, in the paragraph it is clearly given that Anil is sitting in the left row. So, for that we frame this question, where is Anil sitting? Then after, what is he doing? What is he doing? So, he is reading a book. Then, where is Anil's friend sitting next question we frame like, where is Anil's friend sitting? So Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. Then what is Anil's friend doing? So he is sharpening his pencil. Then after next one, who is writing? Who is writing on the blackboard? So who is writing on the blackboard? This question we frame for the sentence. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. And the last one, what are some children? What are some children doing? So answer is, we can find it that answer from the paragraph. Some children are looking out of the window. So children, students, that now you clear with this exercise that what you have to do. Okay? So then after next exercise, write appropriate question words in the blank spaces in the following dialogue. Now some dialogues are given and we have to use appropriate question words and fill the blanks. So first one, Neha did you get this book? When did you get this book? Sheila yesterday morning. See student, these are the dialogues given. So firstly we have to read it out, what the next answer or the reply of the next person, and accordingly we have to use here question word. Okay. Then after, Neha is your sister crying? Sheila. So first read it out the next reply, and then after we write down answer in this blank, because she has lost her doll. So now which question word we use? Why? Why is your sister crying? Because she has lost her doll. Then after, Neha room is this yours or hers? So Sheila reply, Sheila it's ours. So now which question word? Whose room is this? Yours or hers? So Sheila answers it's ours. Then after, Neha do you go to school? Sheila, we walk to school. It is near by. So, how do you go to school? We walk to school. It is near by. Then in the next exercise, that fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Now word box is given. With the help of given word box, we have to fill the blanks. So in this period, I stop here now.